Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. We recently received one of our customers for assistance in Illustrated Excel 2019 module for end of module project 2. Our client provide us some file attachments you can see on your screen, with full instructions to understand the problem. To complete this assignment, follow steps ahead. Step 1. Set up the file. Open the Excel file, save it with a new name, and check your name in cell B6. Step 2. Insert and format sparklines. Add a line sparkline in F5, B5, E5, and copy it to F6, F10. Show high/low points, apply the rows style, and set the high point color to dark green. Step 3. Modify expenses chart. Move the expenses chart to a new sheet, expense chart. Change it to a stacked column chart, switch row/column data, format the vertical axis, accounting, $0, and add the title expense amount. Add a data table, remove the legend, and adjust font sizes. Step 4. Adjust net profit/loss chart. Add the title net profit/loss 2021. Set the vertical axis max to 5,000, add data labels, change the line color to dark teal, and add a trend line. Step 5. Enhance the pie chart. Add percentage labels, change the largest percentage color to white, adjust the legend style, and center the chart title. Step 6. Final edits and submission. Add a border to the line and pie charts. Update cell E14 to 2000. Save, close, and submit the file. If you need our help, we provide two types of solution services. First service is an old solution we already have but that might prompt as plagiarized when someone tries to submit because it has already been used. Second service is to complete it using your given start file and do it completely original. To avail of our help on any assignment, you can contact us on WhatsApp at +44 730 965 5268, or log into our website xlsx.org and chat with a customer support agent. Thank you for watching this.